6 a.m. I leave Punta Chivato Lighthouse, where I spent the last night quite protected from the north wind. Suddenly I realized that I navigate again the wilds of Baja California, and from now I won't see any sign of human life till San Bruno.
This is the end of Punta Chivato. There is a strong current. Look at that beauty, that rocks, it's amazing. But it's a little bit scary because the waves are very strong and take me against the rocks easily. So I'm gonna get away from here as soon as possible.
But as usual in Baja, the Sea of Cortez is subject to sudden floods as well as big storms.
You can see all kind of fishes from the kayak because the water is so transparent. It's amazing. So I'm really tired. I haven't had my breakfast yet, so I think that I will take the best of this place. This beach is amazing, so I think that I'm gonna stop here. It's around 10 o'clock right now. Good timing for breakfast in Mexico. And then I will continue my trip because the days are very big. They are large, so it's not like winter. So I can really paddle the whole day and make the most of the day.
After my break, sea lower zooms make navigation a nightmare, till I see a body of flat water and I run into this little cove to be safe.
This is what I like from Baja. You're in the middle of the shit out there and suddenly you find a place like this. And the water is like so smooth now and nice and check it out. I don't really know what exactly is this. I didn't know that you could find a place like this kayaking in Baja, but it's amazing. I mean, it's like an oasis, a little paradise in the middle of the desert. And I think that I found my place for sleeping tonight and for spending the rest of the day maybe at the shadow. Oh. These trees are painful. Well, this looks like something from a horse or a donkey, and this looks like a path, so probably someone's been here recently, but well, this looks like a horse path or whatever. Maybe it's a private property, I don't know, but looks really nice for camping.
Finally, I decide to settle the campsite close to the water because the day is extremely hot, among lots of coyote footprints. In the evening, I cook some dehydrated soya and veggies. The next morning, I paddle to San Lucas Cove. There is a camping here. In fact, it's the only camping in hundreds of miles around. At midday, I have to stop and wait for the wind to calm down plain. After a couple of hours, I decide to continue my journey with much less wind, but a big groundswell and waves. Then I found out that shallow and sargassos are the best option to avoid wind and waves.
I mean, paddling in the seaweed is not easy, it's not comfortable, but ensures you flat sea, there's not waves here. It's easier and it's safer. This is an amazing place, guys. To be, paddling over all this seaweed is just amazing. You can see a lot of wildlife underneath.
I arrived in the evening in San Lucas Cove, a coastal inlet surrounded by palms, stunning beaches, and exotic tropical plants. This body of water is an obvious choice, but a must-do while in Santa Rosalia because there are not campings in town and I must get my supplies by mail in this village.